Welcome to Sharingtools. In this video, we'll dive into Hybrid Pro, our effective mass action tool designed for Instagram automation. Specifically, we'll cover the powerful Story Actions feature, which helps you engage with stories more efficiently. Remember, enabling these actions is optional. You can customize your strategy by selecting only the actions you want to use. Let's get started. First, let's look at the Story Actions panel. Here, you can choose the types of reactions you want to use for interacting with Instagram stories. You have several options available: polls, automatically vote in story polls; poll sliders, react to slider polls with customized inputs; quiz, participate in story quizzes; countdowns, interact with countdown stickers; answers, reply to story questions. You can activate any of these actions by simply ticking the box. If you don't want to use a feature, just leave it unchecked. Next, let's talk about how often Hybrid Pro should interact with the same user during a mass vote. You can set the frequency to avoid repetitive interactions. For example, you can choose once per hour, once per 3 hours, once per 7 days. We recommend setting this to a longer interval if you're looking to maintain natural and authentic interactions. Now, let's explore Masslooking and emoji reactions. Masslooking allows you to automatically view a large number of stories, increasing your account visibility. Emoji reactions let you react to stories using emojis. Simply type in your preferred emoji, like this B emoji, and set the speed at which reactions are sent. You can choose from speeds like 12 reactions per hour. You can also enable story comments. This feature leaves comments on your followers' stories. Just type the comment you want to use, like thumbs up or any other emoji or short message, and set your interaction speed. For example, you could comment up to 10 times per hour. This feature works with both API and hybrid modes. Moving on to story likes, this is where you can choose how you want Hybrid Pro to like stories. We recommend using the 1:1 plus M, last story only, algorithm. This setting allows you to continue mass looking even after reaching the story like limit, while still marking only the last story as viewed. You can also decide how many stories you'd like to interact with, like the first story of the user, like the first and last story, like the last 2, 3, 4, or 5 stories. We suggest starting with the first story of the user for a more natural engagement. Lastly, set how often Hybrid Pro will like stories from the same user in mass story liking. Options range from once per hour to once per 30 days. For best results, we recommend setting it to at least once per 3 hours to avoid overwhelming interactions. And that's it. With these settings, you can fully customize your story actions using Hybrid Pro on Sharingtools. Remember, all actions are optional. Enable only the features that suit your strategy best. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.